I just got back from Apple Store, bought World Travel Adapter Kit. I'm going to use it mainly for the little adapter pieces like that for my MacBook's power brick. So here's an unboxing. Just get this pack open somehow. This plastic piece. There we go. So pull this out. There's manuals and nicely packaged plugs. So there's this is for Australia and New Zealand. And this is UK, which I'm going to use now. This is for Europe. Or yeah, this is for Korea, or one of the two. This is for China, and similar one for the States. And then it comes with a little power brick for iPod, iPhone, anything USB, and then an Apple USB cable. So yeah, that's about it. Just a short little unboxing of the World Travel Kit. It cost me £30 at the Apple Store. Yep. See you later.